What's up, guys? Welcome back to another short. Okay, so I've been waiting for this wrestler so long. Well, just one of them, but the other one, I already have a lot of him, but the other one, I never had one of him. So, we're back into some wrestling toys. I haven't got them in a while. Here comes the first one. Sit over. Oh, nobody saw that. So nobody saw that, right? Okay. All right, one more time. Pass. See? Yeah. My first time, right? All right, so here's how Jay looks. Don't mind about his face. It's pretty messed up. I could just change his heads because I got a lot of heads. There's his face. Take a little good look at him. All right? I'm going to open him after. And here comes the one that I've been wanting for so long. Pass that over. Now I have to catch it the first time. Jacob Fatu, bro. Look at this. I can't believe I got this. And guess what? The secret thing? These were the last ones. I got these, then it literally said they're out of stock. So these are the last ones. Here they are. Alright, so guys, here are how they look. There's Jay doing yee. Everyone say yee in the comments. I dare you. Alright, there is how he looks. Now time for Jacob Fatu. Here he is. He looks sick, bro. I love this. Here, that's how they are. And guess I'll catch you on next time. Deuces!